Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: web scraping with Python. If you've ever wondered how to extract data from websites, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. For the web scraping, we need a website to fetch the data from. For this purpose, I'm gonna use a news website, namely The Guardian. I will fetch all the headers and the links of the images from the page you see now. Okay, let's start. First things first, we need to install the necessary packages. These packages are requests and BeautifulSoup for. You can install them using pip command. Don't worry, I will share the code with you. The code link will be attached in descriptions. First, we import the necessary libraries. We'll be using the requests library to make HTTP requests and BeautifulSoup from BS4 for HTML parsing. We set our target URL to the Guardian's website. Next, we make an HTTP GET request to the specified URL and check the response status. If the status code is 200, indicating success, we create a BeautifulSoup object to parse the HTML content. Now comes the fun part. We use BeautifulSoup to find all HTML elements with the H2 tag, typically used for article titles. We then iterate through the list, stripping any extra white spaces, and print each title. Similarly, we locate all HTML elements with the img tag and print the src attribute, which contains the image URLs. In just a few lines of code, we've successfully scraped and extracted valuable information from a website. Web scraping can be a powerful tool when used responsibly and ethically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.